everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 5th to the 9th of September 2022 on Monday. Nomaswazi encounters setback putting together the next job. Nonka realizes her involvement in the drug operation. Njeza vow never to get to Nkunzi on Tuesday. Njinji's efforts at reconciliation are met with a cold response from Nomaswazi. Nonka is convinced to plead guilty. Mbata uses charm to try and swindle money from Sonto on Wednesday. Nkunzi has a flashback of the day he almost died. Nonka feels that her life is ruined. Mbata wants to market his product on Kapsile's radio show on Thursday. Nkunzi is determined to pick up where Mr. Twala left off. Nonka drops a bomb on her family. Pop Mbata is on a new time high after launching his holy products on Friday. Viga and Gebetjeni's relationship reaches breaking point. Madongwe is afraid to face humiliation. Mbata evades paying back Sonto. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.